or to some other countries?
I'll probably stay in Australia since it's my home place. I've lived there my entire life.
Hello and welcome back to Shanghai. Today is another day here, early morning, and off to the water village. Catching the metro all the way there, it's a fair bit of time. It takes about an hour on the metro to go there. These are so good. You had them in Shenzhen as well. So, quick and easy breakfast. But you can't eat on metro. Alright, we're nearly there. Zhujiajiao.
We are now at Zhujiajiao.
Right. Zhujiajiao, it is. Finally arrived after a long metro ride. And we're still in Shanghai, by the way, it's just the outskirts. I must say I'm very impressed with the metro system here. It is just so easy to get around.
Better than Australia.
All cities so far we visited, Beijing, Shenzhen, Shanghai. They're all very easy to get around and very efficient.
There's a water, I thought a water park.
It's a water town. Apparently, no idea. Let's get out of here. Yeah, one student. High school. Yeah, one high school.
Students
High school admin.
under 1.3 meter is free.
Pardon?
Under 1.3 is free.
One.
But she's more tall.
Oh, okay, yeah. And then 2 tickets.
Okay, my ticket is here. Okay.
Okay. Oh my god. 2.
80元。Thank you.
Okay, so got our tickets, and now we're gonna have to queue up for the boat. So let's go. There's Starbucks, you have hot chocolate there, surely.
Iced chocolate.
Ice chocolate then. Let's go. So, welcome to the water village here in, what is the name of the, I can't remember the name seriously.
Zhujiajiao.
Zhujiajiao.
No, Zhujiajiao.
Okay, Zhujiajiao. Probably butchering the name, but anyway, we're here and looks really cool. It's an authentic, ancient water village.
I thought you didn't like Starbucks.
Well, it's not my favorite coffee, but better than no coffee. Yeah, Pizza Hut, look at that.
Yeah, wow.
Actually, Pizza Hut, that's the first one I've seen in China.
What's honeymoon? Oh, dessert.
Beef's vegetarian restaurant. Ooh. Okay, let's
What about the vegan?
coffee there. Banana coffee, that's alright. They have a decent coffee, hopefully. Let's have a look if they have hot chocolate. They have these weird flavored coffees. Iced orange jasmine americano, iced apricot, iced grape.
Wampi tonic americano.
Huh?
Wampi tonic
What the
americano.
hell is that?
Sea salt cheese flavored latte.
Good old Starbucks. Alipay, I guess. First time for everything. Pink coconut ice latte coming up. And then ice chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Let's go outside. Yeah. Finally a decent one.
Yeah. I think there's actually milk in this one.
Oh, that's great, huh? Alright, let's try the pink coconut
It's not pink.
ice latte. Oh, that's what's in it, apparently.
Pink flavor.
Okay, try it.
You like pink? You can try it.
Show me.
What's it taste? What does pink taste like?
It just takes coconutty, milky coffee. Alright, so let's wander around this ancient water village. There are a lot of shops here. So we just had that awesome pink coconut latte, ice latte. It was actually really good. I'm not a big fan of the ice drinks, but this time it was just what I wanted. Let's eat the mango. Yum. That's very good. That's very good. Happy days, huh? See, it's worth to come here to Water Town. I don't know.
you talk about it?
The metro lines here, they're actually very good because in Australia we actually don't have any metro lines. So
Metro
it's actually,
line.
yeah.
Just so slow talk.
Yes, my English is.
It's like,
Very good. Your English is very good.
The difference is only the transportation to the metro.
No, well, everything is different.
yeah, everything.
Everything is different.
Yes, that's actually good.
So, which city you live in Australia?
Ipswich. Ipswich.
Ipswich. Oh. Or to some other countries?
I'll probably stay in Australia since it's my home place. I've lived there my entire life.
Oh, so you never consider about to attend a university to other countries?
Well, I'm not sure yet.
Not sure. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. And for my mother. Yes.
Okay. Okay, 谢谢.
Thank you.
谢谢.
Welcome to China. Thank you.
See you later. Right? Alright, so we've been interviewed with a Chinese
cool guy.
student.
What was the interview for again?
Huh?
What was the interview for again?
For his volunteer projects, he just want to improve his English, which is cool.
He's pretty good.
Yeah, 14.
Yeah.
He's only 14,
And he's only been here in China.
and he's not, traveled outside China, so
Yeah.
that's cool. Yeah, it's very enjoyable place. These people are so friendly and everything. It's just,
Every single person says
Unbelievable.
hello to us.
yeah, they always say hello. Let's find a way out of this maze and turn left.
Left. And go where?
And just keep walking. This is a seat, I think, when we came in.
Is it?
I hope so. Look at those bad daylight.
See, it's easy to farm pearls.
I cannot explain this how intense this place is. The smell, the goods, and people keep trying to sell stuff. But it's such a good mix. It's really, and you cannot really describe it, or it's just something else. Real China is really awesome. We opted to catch the boat again because I don't want to walk that much. I need to go back to the metro and then go back to Shanghai and then see what else can we do. Alright, so this was that ancient border village. It really is the Venice of China. It really is very, very cool. So it was a good experience, and we had some shopping, this and that, so it was an awesome experience. There's a lot of things to see and do and buy. So this is it. Yeah, I probably end this video here and there, and thank you for watching, guys, and please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. So there's more come from Shanghai. Cheers.